In today's video, how to make Facebook account private on phone. Open the Facebook app on your device, tap on menu icon at top left side, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy and select settings. Scroll down under audience and visibility. Tap posts, then set who can see your future posts. To friends. Back to settings then. Go to profile details or your profile page. Tap edit. And change items like your birthday, work, and city to friends or only me. Back to settings, tap how people find and contact you. Then turn off the option allowing search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile. In that same contact menu, change who can send you friend requests to friends of friends. Back to Facebook home. Then tap on your profile at top right. Then tap the three dots menu from the list, select lock profile, then select lock your profile to confirm. Note that profile locking is region specific and may not appear for all accounts. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.